Hello and welcome to this June 4th edition of ScandiPWA weekly community session. This is Alex here today with you. I have 4 really exciting updates to share during today's session. We have a long anticipated release, the ScandiPWA 3.x version is finally released. The new patches are now available. We have a new video tutorial on ScandiPWA extensions. And we are reaching out to you guys and asking you to send your questions that will be addressed during next episodes of community sessions with agencies, merchants, and developers. So this is the today's video's breakdown. Let's go step by step through every topic I have listed here. And starting with the main update, the ScandiPWA free version is finally available. This was a very anticipated release and long promised. Really excited that finally it is available for everyone and you can leverage all the opportunities that are now provided by the free .x version. So moving to our GitHub page, we have detailed release notes on ScandiPWA on github.com/ScandiPWA/base-theme/releases. The link will be added to the description box below. What do we have here? We have information on pluggable extension support, parent theme support, and ScandiPWA ESLint plugin. All this is included in the release in the ScandiPWA 3.0 version. Please keep in mind that this is a beta release. This one is tagged with the pre-release tag. And if you are willing to learn more, feel free to read this information on the GitHub or watch the latest ScandiPWA weekly community session with developers. Our ScandiPWA developer Igor, who is also a core maintainer now, he's sharing more information about the release. It was filmed before we have released the third version, and in this video he's explaining what to expect from the release. Particularly, we are covering the ScandiPWA plugins, extensions, ScandiPWA extension marketplace, parent theme implementation, the new ESLint plugin, basically all the things that I have mentioned that are already available. We're speaking about them and explaining in detail what is it and how to work with it. Also, we have a new video tutorial, but I will share this information a bit later. And moving on with the second topic for today, we have another release that was rolled out earlier this week. The ScandiPWA 2.13.2 is now available, and if we go to release notes, we see that basically this release is all about patches, fixing some known bugs. As you know, the team right now is concentrating on improving ScandiPWA performance and stability. We are also targeting all possible known bugs, and in this release you can find fixes. So we know that you guys reported some bugs, and in this particular release we can see those bugs fixed. Make sure to check this latest version, and in case you spot any other bugs, feel free to report. And moving forward with the third topic for today, the new video tutorial on ScandiPWA extensions. As we mentioned, we now have an extension mechanism in the ScandiPWA 3.x version. Keep in mind this is beta, and in this tutorial we are explaining how to work with ScandiPWA extensions. We have planned to release a series of videos. Some of the videos are already available. This is another video from the series on ScandiPWA extensions. In this particular video, we're explaining how to transform a custom logic to an extension form in ScandiPWA. So we are explaining how to convert changes to the ScandiPWA theme to an extension, and showcasing how to create an extension for PayPal payment method in this video as an example. The link is added to the description box below. Make sure to watch this video if you are interested. If you are a merchant and working with agency, or you have developers, please share this video with them. You can use it already, and you can follow the step-by-step process that is provided and showcased in this video, and feel free to leverage this when building your PWA projects. So all the materials that I have mentioned in today's session are available, and links are added to the description box below. We have final topic for today. We reach out again to you guys and asking you to send us your questions to be addressed during the next video episodes of community session with agencies, developers, and merchants. Please send your questions and we'll do our best to address them. If you have technical questions, it will be addressed by the core maintainer. If you have business-related questions or any other questions on partnerships, etc., it will be addressed during the community sessions with merchants and agencies. The link to the form is added. Make sure to submit your questions and we will definitely answer them. This is it for today. This is everything I wanted to cover. Let us know, what do you think. Send us your questions, send us your feedback. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Goodbye.